Okay, and this is our fourth classification from the mixture, right? Mixture containing precipitate forming liquid. Precipitate forming liquid means the liquid which able to precipitate out, right, whenever it meet to the liquid, other liquid, right? Then some liquid contain a resins matter, right? So, contain resinous matter. There is some which already contain a resinous matter, means resin, and when it is mixed with the water, the resin is precipitate out, means already that liquid, there is a various kind of liquid which contain a resin, right, resinous matter. That time that type of, if we add that type of resinous liquid into water, that time what happened, the resin is precipitate out, the resin is precipitate out and does not rediffuse or redistribute upon shaking, are called as a precipitate forming liquid. मतलब ऐसे बहुत सारे लिक्विड है जिसमें रेजिन होते हैं, ठीक है, रेजिन रेजिन होते हैं या फिर रेजिनस मैटर होता है मटेरियल. सो उसी लिक्विड को अगर हम वाटर में मिक्स करते हैं तो तब जाके क्या होता है, जो रेजिन है वो लिक्विड के अंदर वो प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्म करता है, ठीक है, प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्म करता है. और उसके हम अगर वो सॉल्यूशन को अगर हम लोग शेक करते हैं तो वो रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूट या फिर रीडिफ्यूज नहीं होता है, तो इसी लिक्विड को हम क्या बोलेंगे, precipitate forming liquid, the liquid which able to form a precipitate due to presence of resin, right? To overcome this problem we need to use compound Ragakant powder and Ragakant mucilage, right? So अगर हमें ऐसे लिक्विड को डिस्पेंस करना रहा या फिर मिक्सचर बनाना रहा तब जाकर हम क्या करेंगे, सस्पेंडिंग एजेंट दैट इज ट्रागाकांत पाउडर और कंपाउंड ट्रागाकांत पाउडर और ट्रागाकांत म्यूसिलेज का हम क्या करेंगे, वहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे ताकि प्रॉपरली डिसॉल्व हो जाए एंड रीडिफ्यूज भी हो या फिर रीडिस्पर्स भी हो आफ्टर शेकिंग, राइट. देन मेथड ऑफ डिस्पेंसिंग ऑफ precipitate forming liquid, right, means मतलब how can we dispense the precipitate forming liquid, right? So there is a two option, right, that is two kind of suspending agent we have to use, that is first is compound Tragant powder, right. Compound Tragant powder is used whenever our vehicle is non water or non chloroform water rather than water or chloroform water, right. जब हमारा जो व्हीकल है वाटर और या फिर क्लोरोफॉर्म वाटर नहीं होता है तब जाके क्या करते हैं हम लोग कंपाउंड ट्रागन पाउडर यूज़ करते हैं, राइट. सो फाइन indiffusible solid and compound Ragakant powder mix in mortar, right, means जो फाइन indiffusible solid रहेगा then diffusible solid रहेगा, right, and कंपाउंड Ragakant powder रहेगा, उससे क्या करना है, मिक्स करना है मोटर में, राइट. देन मेजर द 3/4 व्हीकल, देन 3/4 व्हीकल मेजर करके रखना है एंड देन फ्रॉम द 3/4 ऑफ व्हीकल टेक अ लिटिल पोर्शन ऑफ व्हीकल एंड add into a above mixture, this is the mixture, right, and make a smooth cream, right. 3/4 vehicle में से थोड़ा little portion of vehicle यूज़ करके एक क्रीम बनाना है with this solid, right. After that add a remaining portion of measured vehicle. After obtaining the cream, smooth cream, we have to add a remaining portion of measured vehicle, right. Then measure the PPT forming liquid in a cylinder, measuring cylinder. In a separate dry measuring cylinder we have to measure the PPT forming liquid, right, and this PPT forming liquid we have to add into a cream slowly with the rapid stirring, right. मतलब ड्राई मेजरिंग सिलेंडर यूज़ करके हमें पीपीटी फॉर्मिंग लिक्विड जो है उससे मेज़र करना है एंड वो जो पीपीटी फॉर्मिंग लिक्विड है उससे ये जो अबो जो क्रीम है ऊपर में जो क्रीम मिलेगा हमें उसमें क्या करना है, ऐड करना है स्लोली विद द रैपिड स्टीरिंग कंटिन्यूस स्टीरिंग के साथ उसे स्लोली ऐड करना है. देन dissolve the solute if present, then any kind of other solute also present here, that time we have to dissolve it in a small vehicle in a another measuring cylinder, right, and add it into a क्रीम विद द कंटिन्यूस स्टेरिंग। अगर अदर भी सॉलिड सब्सटेंस अगर प्रेजेंट रहते हैं तब जाके क्या करना पड़ेगा, स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ व्हीकल लेके एक अदर मेजरिंग सिलेंडर में उसे या फिर एक बीकर में उसे डिसॉल्व करके सॉल्यूशन बना के देन उसे ऐड करना है ये जो अब जो क्रीम्स जो हमें ऑप्टेंड होता है उसमें विद द कंटिन्यूस कांस्टेंट स्टेरिंग, राइट। देन आफ्टर completion of this we have to follow the step number 3 4 5 6 from the mixture containing indivisible solid. Means we have to examine the solution whether there is a presence of any kind of foreign material or foreign particles. If the foreign particles visible, that time we have to filter it by using the muslin cloth, right. After filtration, if there is a presence of any material, go for the fourth step, that is addition of any other liquid ingredient, right. After that you have to make a required volume with the help of vehicle, right. Then in sixth number we have to transfer the prepared mixture into a suitable container, label it, then cork it, and mention the instruction, that is shake well before use, right, with label with the instruction, that is shake well before use. So this is all about the small method of dispensing regarding the liquid mixture containing precipitate forming liquid, right, mixture containing precipitate forming liquid. Okay, next go for another, that is using Travagant mucilage, right. This suspending agent used when the our vehicle is water or chloroform water, right. Means whenever we take the vehicle as a water and chloroform water as a vehicle, that time we have to add or use Travagant mucilage for the dispensing of liquid containing mixture containing precipitate forming liquid, right. So first step it is, that is mixture Travagant mucilage, mix the Travagant mucilage with the equal volume of vehicle, first of all we have to mix the Travagant mucilage with the equal volume of vehicle. If we take a if you are taking a Travagant mucilage 10 gram, that time also you have to add a 10 ml vehicle, that is equal volume, equal proportion, right. Then measure the PPT forming liquid in a dry cylinder, right. In another dry measuring cylinder we need to measure the PPT forming liquid and add to above mucilage slowly with the constant stirring, right. Means PPT forming liquid we have to add in above mixture, right, slowly with the continuous stirring. Afterward dissolve any solid ingredient in 1/4 vehicle and mix it with the above mixture, right. If there is a presence of any other kind of solid substance, that time we have to dissolve that substance into a 1/4 vehicle, and that solution we have to add into above mixture, right. Then after that we have to follow the steps number 3 4 5 from the mixture containing indivisible solid, as same like our previous classification. Okay, that is examine the solution, whether there is a presence of any foreign particle or not. If there is a presence of any foreign particle, that time we have to filter it with the help of muslin cloth. Afterward, in our fourth step, that is add any liquid ingredient if present, right. Then in fifth step we have to make a required volume with the help of more addition of more vehicle, right. And in sixth portion we have to transfer that prepared mixture into a bottle, cork it, label it with a direction, that is shake well before use, right. So this is all regarding the mixture containing precipitate forming liquid. By two way we can dispense the liquid precipitate forming liquid, right? That is one of first is using the compound tragacanth powder, and second is using tragacanth mucilage, right. Then go to our fifth classification, that is mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. Mixture containing slightly soluble liquid means liquid are slightly soluble in vehicle, right? So let's begin. Some insoluble part of slightly soluble liquid is not readily diffused, right? Means there is a various kind of liquid which are slightly soluble in liquid but not readily distributed, right? But not properly distribute. Therefore, to overcome this, we need to add some suspending agent such as compound tragacanth powder or tragacanth mucilage, right? Matlab there is a insoluble part of, means there is a one kind of liquid, it has a some insoluble part, that is slightly soluble in vehicle and not properly distribute into a vehicle. For preventing this kind of difficulties, we have to use the suspending agent whenever we dispense this slightly soluble liquid in the form of mixture, right? So there is a two kind of suspending agent, that is compound tragacanth powder and tragacanth mucilage. See, the method of dispensing of this kind of mixture is similar as mixture containing indiffusible solid, right? Means procedure, dispensing method of dispensing of slightly soluble liquid are similar like a mixture containing indiffusible solid, right? So means by using, in case of by using tragacanth powder or tragacanth mucilage, right? Tragacanth mucilage is used when our vehicle is water or chloroform water, and compound tragacanth powder is used when our vehicle is non-water or non-chloroform water, means rather than water or rather than chloroform water, right? So this is all about the our classification of mixture, right? Classification of mixture. By this way we can classify the mixture, right? And method of dispensing, how to dispense this kind of solid containing mixture, right? Soluble substance, diffusible, indiffusible, precipitate forming, slightly soluble liquids, right? These are the classification of mixture. After that, okay, I think we take one overlook of mixture, that is okay. There is some formulation of mixture, right? Means formulation, that is what kind of excipients, what kind of adjuvants, vehicles, what kind of material we have to need for preparation of mixture, right? There is a two kind of substance we have to need, that is vehicles and adjuncts, that is vehicle and adjuncts. There is a various kind of vehicles which are used for the preparation of mixture, right? Water, aromatic, medicated vehicle, right? Then there is a adjunct, right? Adjuncts means excipients, right? Non-therapeutic action substance, means the excipients are not have any therapeutic activity, right? Adjuncts like chemical stabilizer, coloring agent, flavoring agent, preservative, this kind of adjuncts or excipient are generally used for the formulation of mixture, right? So it is seen, we will one by one, right, in detail in our next lecture, right? So if you have any kind of difficulties, then please ask me, right? And I took this information from this reference, right? So I think we should quite here, right? It is enough for today, okay? So remaining portion we will see in our next lecture. Thank you.